everyone, it's Darla. How are you? I have a couple of things to show you today. All right, let's just get right into it. Well, first of all, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Okay, now let's get into it. I'm fine, thank you. All right, so I made a purse. I made this a while back, actually. I'm finally just showing it to you. And it's a bag a day tutorial that I followed. She had different handles. I think hers were leather. She had a brooch. I actually put a button because I wanted it to close. She also put bling. And this yarn is an ombre colorway that I got from Michael's quite a while ago. I don't have the label. I don't know what brand it was. But I just thought, you know, I think it looks elegant. So what do you think? Do you think it looks elegant? So yeah, what you think? All right. So I need to put that lining in it before I actually use it because it's kind of, you know, it is holey. And Crystal did mention that in her tutorial, that you may want to line it. I believe she mentioned it. Don't quote me on that. All right. So what is the other thing I made? This top. Yes. I just say excuse me to the chair. Okay, so this top, I think it turned out really cute. What do you think? Anyway, so what do you think? I really like it, and I'm not normally one to wear all these colors together like this. So, but I think it's really pretty. I saw Sheri at the string stretching studio. She made it. It's a bag a day pattern again, and the bag a day pattern is different than how I made it. I changed it up a bit. Crystal makes a front panel and a back panel, and then you put them together and you sew them, and then you sew them on the sides. I did one panel that you don't work in the round, at least I didn't even try. But I made it go all the way around. So it's one panel, and then I just had to sew it up on one side. So that's how I made it. And I'll show you the yarn I used, which I ran out of when I needed like this much more to finish the body parts of it. And I ran out, but that's okay. I had another yarn that I used. All right, so the yarn I used it's 100% cotton. It's called Cotton Colors. 200 grams, 394 yards. The color is taffy. It's a medium 4 weight. Recommended hook size is 4.5 millimeter. So this is it. I showed this on one of my previous videos, my Michael's haul. So, and it comes in a ball like this, but this is a different color. This one is Raindrop? Let me just look. Yeah, Raindrop, this one. So it's nice too. And so I had this other yarn. This is cream cotton. And I also showed this in the same Michael's haul video because I got them at the same time. At the time they were buy 2 get 1 free. And this one's cream cotton, 200 gram ball, 432 yards. And it is, this color is violet. It's a medium 4 weight as well. 6.5 millimeter hook. 87 cotton, 13 nylon. See, that was 100% cotton. So, and at the time I had showed you the difference in the yarns. Like this one one is wound tighter than this other one. This one's more fluffy. I don't know, is that called a chain spun? You guys would know. And what would this one be called? I don't know. Can you see that properly? Anywho, so this one is fluffier. It's just a tad softer than the other one. So the cream cotton is a little bit softer than the cotton colors. So this was the cream cotton. This is the cotton colors. So, and they require different sizes of hooks. Like the cotton color, recommend 4.5 millimeter. The cream cotton, they recommend 6.5. So you know what I did? I went right in the middle. No, it's not really right in the middle. What would be the middle of? Anyway, it's 5 millimeter is what I used. Yeah, 5 millimeter. Ooh, it matches almost. Okay, so, and that was to make the straps. That was to do a half double crochet around there and around the pit of the arms. And a half double, oh dear, a half double crochet along the bottom. And you know what? I think it worked out great. What do you think? Can you even tell that this is different yarn than this? Maybe you can, because it is more, a little more like fluffy. It doesn't have fuzziness. Let me just look. There's a, it's not even, might as well say there's nothing there. But this is the same stitch that I used for the body part of the top. So what do you think? And the purples in them are not exactly the same, but they go together, right? So what you think? Yeah. So do you like it? If you don't, tell me. I require honesty on this channel. But no bad words. No swearing. So yeah, this is, I think it looks really good. I don't know. I don't normally wear all these colors at one time. I don't normally wear, you know, the stripes going this way. But I think it's cute. So tell me your honest opinion. What do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Okay. That's it. That's it for now. Yeah, so if you like what you saw in this video today, please click like. If you're just watching this for the first time, this is what I do. I crochet. I have yarn hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, Michael's hauls, things like that. I make shadow box pictures. I make fairy gardens, miniature scenes, and now I'm into paper crafting as well. And I'm actually working on some Happy Mail. Been working on it for like, I don't know how many weeks now. Anyway, I was hoping to get it mailed out this week, but I don't think so. Yeah, so please subscribe if you want to. There are some giveaways coming up. There's the hashtag Christmas in July fairies. So I'll be drawing my winner from my channel on July 15th. And then the grand prize winner will be drawn, well, that name will go to Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. And she will draw the grand prize winner on July 25th. And there's, I don't know what there is now. All these channels that joined, there's 130 or something. There's over 100 anyway. I've been visiting all their channels too, and there were a couple I wasn't even subscribed to. Some of them were really new channels, so I've subscribed to every one of them. I've said hello fellow fairy on them, you know, watch their videos full length, you know, because that's important. And yeah, just showing the love wherever I go on YouTube. And oh, so yeah, then there's another one that's going to be coming up. Hopefully I'll be hitting 2,000 subscribers. That would be really cool, just because I want to have a giveaway. I love giving things away. I just love it. I love it. All right. So, yeah, so I placed a yarn order today, and I've got some yarn here, and there's other things I have that I'm going to put in the giveaway, and I'm just so excited. All right. So, thank you for joining me, and God bless you all. Please leave a comment. I love your comments. All right. Thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye.